Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to use N to turn N into a Naira, or in other words, you double strike through your N. In one of my videos, I taught you how you can strike through and also gave you reasons why a person might decide to strike through, like someone who is promoting a product and doesn't want to show people the initial price of what is being sold, but at the moment they have subsidized the rate, so they cancel the first price, leaving the current price. But at this point, I want to show you how you can turn your N into Naira sign, how you double strike through. So let me go ahead to show you how to do that. Your home menu must be active. You must open your home menu to do that. There are two ways I know how to do that, but let me teach you the basic one. That's once you have opened your home menu is active, and you have your N, you are going to select that N. Once you select the N, you head to font. You see font, you can see your font, and there in your font you have this sign. This sign allows you to customize your text using advanced font and character options to give it the exact look you want. So you click on this arrow, it looks like arrow. Once you click on the arrow, this box will display, and once the box displays, you can see strike through. It gives you one strike. Double strike through gives you the Naira sign. You click OK, it is done. Another simple way you can do that is this. Once you select the Naira, you head to your keyboard. Let me show you your keyboard. You press Ctrl D. You must select and then press Ctrl D. Ctrl D brings the box. You then double strike through and click OK. That's how you can achieve that. I believe this video must have assisted someone. If this video has helped you to learn this, maybe you have struggled with this before, you couldn't find how to do it, please subscribe to my channel so that next time if I make useful content like this, you will get the notification. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, like, and share the video. Thanks.